Good morning and hello everyone. We are from Group 5 and we will present about sustaining environmental quality. Before we going deeper to this presentation, of course, we have to know what is ecosystem or the definition of ecosystem itself. So, according to Autumn 1993, ecosystem is a set of functional units found in an ecology which includes organism and the environment. The purpose of the environment is abiotic and biotic, where everything is interrelated and dependent. So, the next slide we will discuss about interconnection of components in ecosystems. In ecosystems, producers fix solar energy in the organic matter they produce through photosynthesis. Solar energy becomes chemical energy which can be used by organisms. There are 5 types of species interactions, which is competition, predation, parasitism, mutualism, and commensalism. The first one is competition. Competition occurs when members of 2 or more species interactions to gain access to the same limited resources such as food, light, or space. The second one is predation. Predation occurs when a member of one species feeds directly or a part of a member of another species. The third one is parasitism. Parasitism occurs when one organism feeds on the body of or the energy used by another organism, usually by living or in a host. The fourth one is mutualism. Mutualism is interaction that benefits both of species. The last one is commensalism. Commensalism is interaction that benefits one species.
Slide about how do communities and ecosystem respond to changing environmental conditions? The answer is the structure and species composition of communities and ecosystem change in response to changing environmental conditions through the process called ecological succession. The next slide is how do species reverse one another in ecological succession? The answer is facilization, in which one set of species make an area suitable for species with differentiated equipment, but less suitable for itself. Inhibition, in which some early species hinder the growth of the species. Inhibition often occurs when plants release toxic chemicals that reduce competition for other plants. Tolerance, in which late successional plants are infested by plants at earlier stage of succession. This slide how to mention ecological balance. The answer is ecological balance is a relatively stable state of the structure and function of the ecosystem in a certain period of time. Its material and energy input and output are nearly equal. Under external interference, it can be restored to the original stable state through self-regulation or artificial control. That's all from our presentation. Thank you for your attention.